Mental health resources about to take a big hit in Iron County. The sheriff's office saying 20% of beds are shutting down due to a lack of funding. As ABC4 Southern Utah correspondent Jordan Verdadero reports, officials hope the community can help.
Deputy Brenda Pyers is the mental health unit coordinator for the Iron County Sheriff's Office. Since they don't have their own receiving center, mental health patients are admitted to the Utah State Hospital.
We only have 12 beds that are allocated for us at the Utah State Hospital.
The unit started in April, and Pyers worries as slim resources are only getting thinner.
Let me send you over to dispatch for the mental health unit.
Not having enough employees, not getting enough pay in order to keep the employees, our lack of therapists. They actually closed down 30 of our 150 beds that we have throughout the state.
She says after cuts, they only have 9 beds for all the mental health patients in Iron County, and even when they had 12 beds, it wasn't enough.
Every year, our 12 beds are completely full at all times. We just rotate people out. There's never really any downtime or some lag time where we don't have anybody in those beds.
Deputy Pyers says there aren't many options for officials to get people help.
How do we respond to a call knowing that there isn't anything for us to do for that person after we were able to de-escalate them or get them out of crisis?
She says it's a crisis in the county, and it's also taking a toll on law enforcement officials.
We have only one psychologist in Iron County, and the rest of them are therapists, which are great, but they're limited. I mean, there's only so much somebody can do in a workday.
Pyers says they need their own receiving center, and she's turning to the community for suggestions.
A building that somebody was aware of that isn't being used, and they would be willing to give it to us to try to make a receiving center, that would be awesome. I just think that if the state isn't going to step up at this time to help us, then maybe as a community, we need to all kind of gather together and come up with a solution on our own. To me, this is a disaster. This is a crisis, just like the floods that we had over the summer.
Reporting in Cedar City, Jordan Verdadero, ABC4 News.